How to delete Facebook Reels watch history. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Facebook Reels watch history. Start by opening the Facebook app on your Android phone or iPhone. Tap the menu icon, then go to Settings and Privacy and select Settings. Scroll down to Your Activity or Activity Log, depending on your app version. In Your Facebook Activity, click on Post and see more. Next, tap Videos You've Watched. Here, you'll see your Facebook video and Reels watch history. To remove individual entries, tap the three-dot icon next to a video and select Delete. If the Clear Video Watch History option is available, tap it to remove your entire watch history at once. Once the history is cleared, Facebook will gradually reset your video and Reels recommendations based on your future activity. That's it! You've successfully deleted your Facebook Reels watch history. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.